Unbelievably, this Morton building is chock full of Broncos. I mean, stuffed, rim to rim, of Broncos. I've been hunting barns since I was a small child, throughout Illinois and the Midwest, and this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. This is what it takes to create a business like Gateway Bronco. It took us 3 years to close this deal. 15 original Broncos. Most of them actually are 1977 Broncos, which are pretty unique. And so we've got some real gems here, and just wait until we pull them all out. Three.